All right. I'm so excited to talk about my project. So I'm Swati Raikwa. This is my submission for VanAI Round 1 Hackathon. So I decided to name my project The Trial of Century. And so, it, based on the survey responses we have from more than 500 participants, I used all the survey responses, cleaned the data, and build like a data analysis, try to understand what's going on, how many respondents will feel like if that a hot dog is a sandwich, what where is the data coming from, which demographic does it belong to, and try to get all the detailed insights that I possibly can. Now, I do not want to share like the insights derived in a traditional manner. So I used like just by bar charts or maybe like plot directly in the collab. So I used all that analysis, try to like thought, what if I make a story out of it? So there is a unique way of storytelling. So I decided to make a comic storyboard, which is completely generated automatically there without any manual intervention. So using the information that I got from the survey responses, I built them into different characters where hot dog is the hero of the story, who hires a data scientist, aka me, and they are trying to like all the different characters are based on like what we got from survey, the responses, and the arguments of data scientist who is also a lawyer, who's trying to fight an appeal case for the hot dog to be considered as a sandwich. And all the different witnesses and different characters are derived from like different participants from the survey itself. So using all this information, I came up with like a story plan, what we can tell. Again, uh, generated the prompts that can be given to an LLM, so we can generate images. Now, doing all this manually would be a lot of work. So I built a pipeline, which you can also find in the GitHub repository. Basically, what that does is take an input file, which can be a CSV format, and anyone can run this file. Like any different artist, you don't need any technical expertise to edit the CSV file. You can change the prompts however you want. You can try different styles, feed the CSV file, and as an output you will have like the comic strip generated for you. For example, this is one of the comic script I have generated. I which where there is a trial going on. We are introducing the characters, and there goes the entire like story, which talks about the data and the facts that we were able to generate from the analysis itself. Now, I also tried to do a comparison analysis. So while planning the story, I used ChatGPT because it has stronger like it's it is obviously much more popular, and right now it is able to generate better images. So I used ChatGPT to plan what my story is going to look like, and then I wanted to do everything using open source models that is available to us and free, and we can generate it. So this first page is completely generated with ChatGPT. As you can see, it's doing an awesome job, especially with like no typos with the spelling. And whereas this one is with an open source, which is also doing a great job. Look at this, like this, and this is completely prompt driven. What we can do in future is we can uh, I plan to edit all these images. What if an artist wants to change when the image was already generated? What if there was a typo and they want to correct the typo? So there's endless possibilities, obviously, but I'm super excited to share my submission with you. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have fun.